for The Bet. Yun yung movie na ginagawa namin nila isa ngayon. And besides that, actually papalabas na yung The Trial kasama si John Lloyd. So I'm also doing that on the side. And of course, Forevermore under Star Creative teleserye naman.
You're so in demand. Sabay-sabay. So ilan to simultaneous na to?
Tatlo.
Favor sa camera?
Tatlo, yes.
Tatlo. So paano mo dinidivide yung time mo sa tatlo?
Ano ba?
May asap pa.
May asap pa. Basta yun, ginagawa namin nila Ate Ana. We're a team and ginagawa namin. And we can do it naman, so yeah.
So dalawang simultaneous projects with Liza Soberano. Kamusta working with her?
Yeah. First of all, dun sa She's the One, we paired up. And after that, actually, sinabi ko yung Tita Malu. Sinabi ko talaga sa kanya, Tita Malu, parang sana may work din kami after this. Kasi, at true enough, nung pinalabas yung She's the One, may nakita silang eksena yung sa dulo. Which ay, baka pwede naman. So, kaya na-conceptualize yung The Bet. And they thought of us to portray the role. So, ayun, just sabi ko, Tito Malu, yes! Tupad din yung sinabi namin. So, yeah.
So is this a personal request from you? Sinabi mo yata, nilambing mo na you really want to work with Liza.
Siguro, first time ko lang siguro siguro parang request. O basta yung, hindi naman super request na, Tita Malu, gawa tayo ng, hindi naman gano'n.
Paano mo sinabi? Paano mo bringing up? Paano ka naglakas-load sabihin kay Tita Malu?
Nung ano yun eh, ano yun sa Circle? Tena? Yung may event sa Circle.
60 years.
Yes, doon. Tapos we had to promote She's the One. Nagpo-promote kami She's the One. So kasama ko si Liza doon. Tapos pumasok si Tita Malu sa loob ng tent. Tapos sinabi ko, uy, okay kayo. Tapos kamusta si Liza, sabi ko. Okay lang. Sabi ko, gusto mo, gawin kami ng isa pa. So ganoon lang. Tapos, sige, gagawa tayo. So after doon, bilang nagulat ako, oy, ito na. The Bet, tapos Forevermore. So,
bakit? Nakita mo sa kanya?
Siguro sobrang pag nakita niyo siya, parang siyang genuine na what you see is what you get. Parang gano'n, parang she's super, she's so young kasi. So she's just a sweetheart. So parang siyang super genuine, wala ka pang makitang mali siya kasi wala. Yes, yung gano'n. So parang she's young, she has to start. And ayun, feeling ko fresh.
Alam mo, ang ganda-ganda yung tingnan sa Forevermore pa lang. Hindi yawan na yan sa trailer. Ganda-ganda yung tingnan ng screen. Sa tingin mo ba nakita mo na yung kumbaga established na kayo, meron, kita mo ba na siya na yung constant leading lady mo?
Siguro, I guess so. Pero I mean, kung level lang, ewan ko, tignan natin. I mean, if it goes good, kung magiging okay yung pagsasama namin sa show, and off screen, I don't know, baka pag naging okay, I mean, kung naging okay, diba? I mean, yung relationship namin on and off screen, kung naging okay, of course, parang cut niya, parang if it becomes real, then it's mas maganda. So, pakita natin.
Napag-uusapan niyo, Ken? Ni Liza?
Hindi pa. Parang sure, parang nasa back of basta yun.
Pero Ken, kasi nakali ka din sa maraming ka-love team. May Julia Barreto, may
Yes.
Julia Montes.
Yun yung sinabi sa akin. Yung sanay na.
So ngayon parang may, syempre, hindi maiiwasan i-compare eh.
Yeah.
Mas bago din si Liza. So, nire-ready mo rin ba siya for that? Tapos kung ikaw din tatanungin, first question, pangalawa, kung ikaw rin tatanungin, ano yung mga differences nila at saka similarities?
First of all, lahat sila sobrang bait. They're all sweet. I mean, sa trabaho, when it comes to work, wala kang maririnig sa kanila. I mean, they go at it. And yun ang gusto ko sa babae. Siyempre, ayoko yung masyadong maarte. So, pag nakita mo, okay din. Pero, I think it's more of on and off the screen relationship. Kasi minsan, nangyayari pag on the screen, of course, nakikita kayo lagi. Magkasama kayo sa trabaho, okay kayo. Pero after that, kapag iba na yung schedules nyo, medyo nawawala na. So, yun lang. Siguro you have to just, it's up to both parties lang siguro to keep the relationship good and strong. And kapag naging sobrang okay, then I think that's a good thing.
Gano'n siya kaiba muna?
Nasabi mo yung similarities, pero yung difference.
Yeah, yung difference, it's hard to say. Tsaka, we haven't really gotten that far with Liza yet, so it's hard to say ngayon, sa ngayon. Pero After that,
Paano mo nasabing
Sige.
sweet Ken, like si Julia Montes muna? Paano mo nasabing sweet kay sa set?
Hindi, it's how, hindi naman sa sweet namin, it's how they are lang. Parang kapag may eksena kami, medyo mabigat, yung nagtutulungan, o minsan, okay na lang. Pag minsan, alam mo, hindi nakakaiyak. Di ba yung nilalapit mo, kaya mo ba ba? Tapos happy na si Direk, mga gano'n, may mga gano'n. So, that's the little things actually that count para sa amin. So, lahat sila may gano'n.
Pero ano ba, how is Liza, since siya yung present one, how is she special from all the other na mga nakalaunan?
How she is special for me, I guess,
One thing, then we move to the next question kasi unfair dun sa ibang leading ladies. Kasi, di ba? Let's not compare.
Okay,
Let's not
sige.
compare. Thank you, Krisa.
Okay.
Next question.
It's hard to
please.
explain kasi...
Kaya nga, buti
Hindi
na
kasi
lang,
we're
sabi
putting
ni
Ken on the spot.
buti na
It's hard for him
Nico
to
is here.
Thank you,
Just to
Krisa.
compare.
Next question,
Ken,
please.
for DCMM,
Po.
looking at you now, you look so, parang at your best. Ganyan, napaka-fit mo, ganun skin mo, go-glow ka. You look so happy.
Wow.
Bakit?
Wow.
Anong reason?
Actually, may sakit nga ako ngayon eh.
Hindi nga.
Medyo may
May sakit ka pa niyan,
May flu ako ngayon.
ha?
kaya yung-
Sana lahat tayo may sakit.
Pero gumaling naman kahapon ng source, pero ngayon medyo siguro may time mag-workout. And not like before na everyday may taping araw-araw. So, naiba yung work regimen. So ngayon, at least I have time to work out, to play basketball. So, to get in shape. Yun talaga yung actually gusto ko. Actually. So, I'm just happy I have time right now.
So may time ka for yourself. Sabi
Yes.
mo, kapag-gym ka, ganyan.
Yes, yes.
And yung special time naman with someone na who makes you happy, meron bang time na ganun?
Wala pa. Yun lang. Wala pa. So, siguro baka pwede segue. Joke lang. Sa work, joke lang. Joke lang. I mean, I'm just, pero sa ngayon, wala. I mean, if it's my time, parang sa akin muna. Sulitin ko muna. Parang so,
Crush na crush mo na siya.
sobrang bait kasi, sobrang cute din niya eh. So, di ba, super
How
young,
do you
super...
keep the working with, yung relationship yung professional? Kasi kung gusto mo siya, kung kinikilig ka sa kanya, tapos hindi pa pwede kasi you have to be professional. Paano
Oo,
ito yun?
Siyempre, ganun talaga. Ayaw ko.
Paano ka nakontrol yung feelings?
Hindi control. Siguro, I don't know. No idea. Paano ko ba nakontrol? Ewan ko. Siguro lang. That time, it's more about, kasi it's not about, we can't just, we want to enjoy the moment din kasi, kami dalawa, when we're working, we want to enjoy the moment. Kaso, it's also hard to keep on enjoy. Siyempre yung table at hand, yung work na kailangan maganda yung movie. Kailangan yun muna number one goal namin, tsaka yung show namin, teleserye. If that becomes good, edi siyempre lahat, the rest, magiging okay na para sa amin. So, imbes na nag-enjoy ka at the moment, parang nisip namin yung long run. At least, if we do it good, makakasama din kami in the long run. So,